Nothing quite like Springfield weather. (103 degrees 20 minutes ago. Humidity point was like 20%. Oh, we lost the tree! We lost the tree! Haha! Jesus Christ.